Hey Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel I want to say you are welcome. So guys, this video is very different from the video I normally engage myself in, but today all work cannot play make Jack a dull boy. We don't have to take care of ourselves without taking care of our stomach. We have to feed ourselves. So this is me showing you how you can make your canned tomatoes at home, or how you can preserve your tomatoes without a canner. So guys, let's pop it into this video, and if you like what you see on my video, please give me a follow, like and comment, and also help in sharing. This is my tomatoes. It is 10 kilo tomatoes. All I'm going to do, I'm going to break the seal, then transfer the tomatoes into my pot. I will advise you, if you are using a pot, make sure it is a non-stick pan so that you won't have your tomatoes burnt. I cook mine at a high heat or medium heat, how you wish, for about 1 hour 15 minutes. The longer you cook it, the better it is. So if you are asking how am I going to preserve these tomatoes, the only two things you are going to put, and they are optional, is salt and some parsley leaf. If you don't want to put parsley leaf, you can just boil your tomatoes, boil it very good, and I will show you how you can can your tomatoes, and it can last up to 6 months and 1 year at home. So guys, I've put my pot on the heat. I will allow it to boil. Like I said, I always allow mine to boil up to 1 hour 15 minutes, and even more, depends on the quantity I'm making. But today I'm making 10 kilos of tomatoes. This is me adding some salt to it, just to reduce the acid in the tomatoes. So I just continue the boiling process, and if you want to store this, I advise you use a bottle jar, and tight container. Don't store it in the plastic, and make sure your container you have this guarantee that it is tight container. If not, after 3 days all your tomatoes will go sour, and you waste your resources, waste your time, waste your gas, and you feel disappointed. So guys, this is me adding my parsley to it. You can add any aroma leaves you want, but I just use only parsley and salt, and that is it. I give it a good stir, occasionally give it a good stir, then I like to steamer to boil for a very long time. You get to know your tomatoes is ready once the foam on top of the tomatoes start dissolving or start disappearing. Right now, this is me transferring my tomatoes into my bottle jar, which I've previously washed and sanitized. So right now, this is the filling process. Pardon the mess around, but it is hot. Believe me, this process is hot. It is damn hot. So I have to tight it with all the power I have. Make sure I turn it upside down. It is very important you turn it upside down so that the canning process can be sealed, so that your jar can be sealed. And if you want to open this, you can't open it with ordinary hand. You will have to take a spoon and lift the top of the can. If not, you cannot open it with your bare hand. If you want me to show you a video of how you can open this can, I will make a video of it. Just let me know on the comment section. So guys, this process is very important. You flip your bottle jar upside down like this, then to seal the can very well for extra security. All right guys, this is how I make my tomatoes, or I can my tomatoes, and it lasts me up to 6 months, 1 year at home. If you love this video, let me know on the comment section, and please don't forget to share, love and light. Bye guys.